Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Wi-Fi option not showing in settings on Windows 11 or 10. So guys, if you are using Windows 11 or 10, so you can fix easily. Just follow some easy steps. Click on Start, search here Services, open Services. Now here guys, you have to select auto config. You will see these two service. So second one, WLAN auto config. Click on it. So once you double click on it, here you will see this dialog box. Here you can see the startup type. So select automatic, then apply. Then just you have to restart. So right click and refresh. So make sure this service should be running. So this is the first method. Second method you can try. Click on start and here click on settings, open settings. Now here click on network and internet, then advanced network settings, then here network reset and reset a network. So this is the second method. After reset, just restart and reboot your system. After restart, still you are facing problems, so third method you can try. Open device manager. So here click on device manager and here you will see a list of devices. Expand network adapters. Right click on your Wi-Fi driver, then update driver. Search automatically and close it. If it is not work, so update driver and this time select browse my computer. Now here select let me pick from a list of available drivers. Then click on next. Now exit and restart. After restart, still you are facing problems. So right click on this Wi-Fi driver and uninstall this driver and restart. Make sure restart, and after restart click on action and click on scan for hardware changes. And fifth and final method you can try to resolve this problem. Click on start and search here MS config. So open system configuration. Here select services and here guys you have to enable these all service. You can see here, just enable all services, then apply, then here click on OK and make sure reboot your system. So you need to restart again. So thanks for watching guys. This is the method you can fix and you can try to resolve Wi-Fi not working in your Windows 11 or 10 PC or laptop. Thanks for watching again and comment this method or any method work for you.